Apple has officially introduced two new devices for its sixth, the iPhone 17e and a refreshed iPad Air powered by the new M4 chip. Both products focus on delivering strong performance at competitive prices, while also bringing meaningful upgrades to battery life, speed and overall user experience. Let's start with the iPhone 17. The iPhone 17 is Apple's new lower-priced iPhone option for 2026. It features a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display, offering sharp visuals, vibrant colors, and excellent brightness for everyday use. Whether you're streaming videos, browsing social media, or playing games, the display is designed to deliver a premium viewing experience at a more affordable price point. Powering the device is Apple's new 3nm A19 chip. This processor is built for speed and efficiency, helping the iPhone 17 handle multitasking, gaming, and demanding apps smoothly. The phone also includes Apple's in-house C1 modem, which improves power efficiency and connectivity. Combined with the power management features of iOS 26, Apple says users can expect all-day battery life. Charging is also fast and convenient. With a USB-C cable, the iPhone 17 can charge up to around 50% in about 30 minutes. It also supports wireless charging up to 15 watts using MagSafe and Qi2 accessories. One of the biggest upgrades is storage. The iPhone 17 now starts with 256 GB of storage at $599. That's double the base storage of the previous iPhone 6 at the same price. For users who store lots of photos, videos, and apps, this is a major improvement. Speaking of photos, the iPhone features a 48-megapixel fusion camera. It supports 2x optical zoom and can capture images in either full 48MP resolution or 24MP for optimized sharing. In portrait mode, users can take next-generation portraits with smooth background blur for a professional look. Video recording is also impressive. The iPhone 17e can shoot 4K video with Dolby Vision at up to 60 frames per second. It also supports spatial audio recording, which creates immersive sound when listening through AirPods or Apple Vision Pro. This makes videos feel more lifelike and engaging. Durability hasn't been ignored either. The phone comes with an IP68 rating, meaning it is protected from dust and can survive splashes and water exposure up to 6 meters deep for up to 30 minutes. Pre-orders for the iPhone 17 begin Wednesday, March 4, with availability starting March 11. It comes in black, white, and soft pink, all with a matte finish. Apple's carrier partners are also offering trade-in deals, including up to $400 in credit for trading in an iPhone 11 and up to $599 for an iPhone 13. Now let's talk about the new iPad Air. Apple has also introduced a refreshed iPad Air powered by the new M4 chip. This upgrade brings noticeable performance gains. The new model is up to 30% faster than the previous version, which used the M3 chip. With the M4, users get a faster CPU, GPU, and neural engine, making the device more capable for creative tasks, gaming, and multitasking. The iPad Air with M4 also ins Apple's C1 modem and supports Wi-Fi 7, offering faster and more stable wireless connectivity. It will be available in two sizes, an 11-inch model and a larger 13-inch version. Pricing starts at $599 for 11-inch model and $799 for the 13-inch version. Just like the iPhone 7, pre-orders for the new iPad Air begin on March 4, with availability starting March 11. Overall, Apple's latest announcements focus on delivering stronger value. The iPhone 17 doubles the base storage while improving performance and camera capabilities. The new iPad Air brings M4 power to a wider audience with faster speeds and better connectivity. These updates show Apple continuing to balance premium features with competitive pricing, making its ecosystem more accessible in 2026.